Hello everyone, welcome back to a slightly clickbaity video, but I promise you it'll be okay in the end. We're going to unbox some super expensive shoes. It is the Alpha Edge, I think, I might butcher it, it's a long name, the Alpha Edge 4D by Adidas. Now, if you don't know, the 4D series of shoes is so cool. I didn't buy them actually for $400, although that is the suggested retail, I guess. I've seen them for $400 a couple years ago, but I found them while outlet shopping in Niagara Falls near, I think, St. Catharines. So let's unbox them and see what $400 gets you for a piece of footwear. Created in partnership with California-based firm Carbon, 4D has been described by Adidas as the first performance footwear made with light and oxygen by way of digital light synthesis. Do you know how sick that sounds? But basically, it's just 3D printing underwater. It's 3D printing in like a liquid.
No two footsteps are ever the same. No two minds think alike. So when sport meets Silicon Valley, the future begins. And nothing remains the same. Years of athlete data digitally awaken. Glass begins to breathe. Liquid turns solid. And a uniquely perfect lattice is created. A midsole carefully imagined, bringing thousands of athletes together into one precisely tuned stride.